Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see group by function with aggregate function. So basically in last video we have seen how to use the group by with a single function. But when you use the group by, if you want to perform multiple aggregate function, that is sum, mean, max, count, right, at a single line of code, so we are not able to perform. So that's why if you want to perform multiple operations, at that time we use the group by with aggregate function. So already I created a data frame. First line is I just imported all the functions, and I also imported all the types, and this is our data, this is schema. So now let's create a table, or we call as a data frame in pyspark. So I create a one variable, that is df, then write down the spark session, like spark session variable object, and then create a data frame. Then use firstly in whenever you want to create a data frame, we need to give the data, and then let me remove it. First we are going to give the data variable, then we give the column header, that is variable name is, our column header is available under schema variable. Now let show the let's see the variable, like let's see the data frame. So now if I run, if you see, it is showing we have the 5 employees, 101, 102, 103, 104, and 2 employees have the IT, and last 3 employees have the department is HR, right? So now we want to do the group by on the basis of department, that is IT and HR, and we want maybe total salary, max salary for each department. How we can do that? Now let me create one variable, another data frame variable, that is a df1, and we want to firstly we need to give the data frame, and then we want to do the group by on the basis of which column. So we want to do the group by on the basis of department, right? And now I am using aggregate function. In aggregate function we can perform multiple aggregate operation, right? Now let first we are going to see the sum operation. Here we want sum of salary, right? Then now let's, so we perform one operation. Now if I let me run the code. After run we are getting formula as it is, so we want to give the rename. So what we can do, whenever we want to do the rename, we can use the alias function dot. So we want to rename of this formula, right? Then alias, here I can give the total sal, right? And now let's run the code once again. Now let's see the result. Now we got total sale for the formula. Now we just get only one total sal, but now we want department wise mean salary. So mean salary is 1000 for the IT, and for the HR mean salary is 3000. So now let's see, if I just give the comma in the same aggregate function and give the min function, right? And then again we want minimum salary, right, for the from the salary column, and here also I can give the alias. Then I can give the alias as a mean salary, and now we want max salary also, so I can max salary. Then again here we need to give the salary column, and then alias, what we want alias, that is max salary. Now what we want to also perform average, right? And on the basis of salary column we want to find the average, and here also I can give the alias, that is average salary. Now at the last we are going to close the bracket for the this aggregate, and then now let's run the code. Now if you see, this is our table, right? We have the 5 records. and 2 departments. So that's why we are getting 2 rows, 1 row for the IT because we are done the group by. So now total salary for the IT is 3000, min salary is 1000, max salary is 2000, and average means we are going to do the sum 1000 plus 2000, that is 3000 divided by 2. We have the 2 records, right? Here we are getting 1500, and here I can make as a average salary. So now if you see average salary, so now you got the difference between group by with aggregate function and group by without aggregate function. In aggregate function we can perform multiple operation, right? So that's all about today's video. If you have any question, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.